major international stage.
And strength, with passion, fitness, sport, and cultural exchange, he proudly carries the spirit of his country tonight.
Roberto Mena, he is a model, traveler, and adventurer who has journeyed across 35 countries with passion for nature, sports, and resilience.
Cricket, swimming, and badminton. With passion and perseverance, tonight he proudly carries the vibrant energy of India.
A lawyer, an entrepreneur, a proud father who believes true strength comes from passion and kindness. Tonight he shows us confidence, charisma, and the spirit of Brazil.
That brings strength, discipline, and resilience to the stage. With 16 years of karate training, he embodies true mind and body balance and confidence.
Determination and energy. Tonight he proudly brings the spirit of Myanmar.
Athlete and storyteller whose journey span basketball, volleyball, and acting. With confidence and charisma, tonight he brings the pride of his country to the stage. Indonesia!
Combines artistry with athletic discipline. Raised by strong women, he embodies resilience, humility, and family devotion.
He embodies ambition, humility, and perseverance. Sales manager at just 24. Cultivating balances the real his passion for fitness.
Ahmed Peso, a professional football player standing at 180 meters tall. With over 8 years on the pitch, passionate, resilient, and determined. Tonight, he shows that